Hey there, math warriors. This math mastermind coming in. And I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in because I'm doing it for you all, the people watching, the viewers, the math warriors, because it's a battle. We got math-itis and math phobias running rampant. And if you want to learn more about the battle against math phobia and be on this journey with us as we seek to increase mathematical literacy, go ahead and like and follow the page. So this video I got coming at you here is just I went out on a Sunday morning and did a little bit of math and just in my regular life. So let's go ahead and check that out. Hey there, this is David Etheridge, also known as Math Mastermind Educational Services. I'm about to go out, gonna run a few short little errands. Gotta go to get some food, a little bit hungry. Then I'm gonna go to the store, getting some stuff for some cosplay related projects. And then I'm probably gonna come back to the house. We'll see where the day takes me. But that's the outlook for right now. But this is just gonna be a journey, and I'm just gonna try to highlight whenever I see myself using a little bit of math through the day. First thing, here I am in my car. When I get in my car, I like to check and see what my gas mileage is like. Luckily, I got my 2017 Chevy, and it tells me my miles per gallon. I see I got 30.8 miles per gallon. Okay, I know where I'm going is about 20 miles away, so I shouldn't use more than a gallon of gas. And I like to make sure I got enough gas. I see I'm right there, and that tells me I'm good for my journey. I do this, and that's a quick calculation you do as well, and that is math. All right, so I stopped at Sonic's. Wanted to pick up a little food, a little bit of hungry. So let's see. I think I know what I'm gonna get. Let's see. I'm here. Shout out Zone. There we go. Sorry about that. I think I'm gonna give me a Chicago dog, the meal. I'm at $6.89 pre-tax. I think after tax, it's gonna be, should be definitely less than $8. And yes, that does count as doing math. You gotta estimate, know how much tax you got. Let's listen and see what the total really is gonna be. Let me get the Chicago beef hot dog combo. Let's do fries. Let's do fries.
What's the drink?
Let me do a fruit punch, no ice.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
$57.58. You pay card or cash?
Card.
Okay, go ahead and slide.
All right. You said $7.58. So I got the receipt back. The total was $7.58. Oh, let me put my finger by it. Yeah, $7.58 was the total. And so it was the estimate I had was, I said, under $8, and that was right. The reason why I went from $6.89 up to let's say less than $8 is because I know here in Chicago we got some high taxes, but you always want to know what that maximum number is. So you could ask them, you gotta know when you gotta ask, are you sure that's right? Don't just go with whatever number somebody say to you. Never have a number in your head first. All right, so here we are at Walmart. About to get ready to go in and make a few purchases. I got to get some blinds for my window. Need to replace a set of those. Then I need to get some spray paint because I'm doing a little cosplay thing. I need some spray paint for it. And then I think that's about it. Hopefully I don't get pulled in about something else. And if I do, I'm going to be sure to tell you about it. But here we go. So here I am in the blinds section for curtains and blinds and whatnot. And forgot to mention earlier, I forgot to record it, but I recorded the size of my window. And the window was 25 inches by 54 or 58 inches. And so I need to find some blinds that match that. It's 27 inches by 58 inches. So we got these here, which are 27 inches by 64 inches. That's okay for this to be a little bit longer because this is your up and down. So it's okay to have a little extra hang on there. So that is math. See, sometimes just walking around, you get all types of math problems that just show up. Look at this, 797. We want to know which one is better. Do we want these orange joints, or do we want the blue ones? I don't know, but that's math. Another look, so 450 lumens, 54 cents per year. 800 lumens, 78 cents per year. So this one's cheaper per year, but you get less light, more expensive per year, but more light. So in this case, it's probably going to deal with how much brightness you want, and we see they're the same price at $7.97. So in this situation, usually you think the bigger quantity, it is going to be cheaper, but we see if we look at it a little closer, we see that this is 1.88 inches wide by 22 yards long. This one is 1.88 inches by 30 yards long. Now, most people would think this would be the cheaper one, but when we do the calculation and we want to know the cost per yard. So we're going to take this number 3.44 and divide it by this number 30 yards. Then we're going to take this number 1.98 and divide it by this number 22 yards. We want to know which one gives us the better deal, which one is cheaper when we break it down to how much does 1 yard cost. That's what we know. How much does 1 yard from this one cost? How much does 1 yard from this one cost? And when we do this 3.44 and we do that division, we get something about 11 cents a yard. Whereas here, when we do 1.98 divided by 22, we get about 9 cents a yard. So 9 cents a yard is cheaper than 11 cents a yard. So it's actually a better value to get the smaller one in this case. So, oftentimes we think the common sense thing is to go with the bigger quantity because that's going to be cheaper. And a lot of times it actually is. But in this case, when we stop, pause, and actually do the math, we see the smaller item is actually better.